Looking for an Amazon order you placed recently but don't know where to find it? No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your recent Amazon orders using a desktop browser. Follow along, and you'll find your order in just a few clicks. First, open Amazon and make sure you're signed into your account. Move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over Account and Lists. When the drop-down menu appears, look for your orders and click on it. This will take you directly to your Amazon order history. Once the page loads, your recent orders will appear on the screen. Each order usually shows the items you purchased, the date you placed the order, and the current delivery status. If you just placed an order, it should normally appear near the top of the list, making it easy to find. Want to see the full details? Find the order you're looking for and click View Order Details. From here, you can check important information such as your order number, items purchased, shipping information, payment details, and the estimated delivery date. If you don't see the order you're looking for, don't worry. At the top of the page, find the orders placed in drop-down menu. Click it and select the year when you placed the order. Amazon will then display orders from that period. And that's how easy it is to check your recent Amazon orders. Whether you're tracking a new purchase or looking for an older order, everything you need can be found in your orders. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Amazon tutorials. Thanks for watching.